This is the pedal drive from the Old Town Salty PDL 120. And I know it floats, but everybody says, are you sure? So let's go check it out. You might want to try this before you get out in the lake and show off to your friends. And to find out if it floats, let's go take a look. And the cement pond. Let's see if we can do this without making too much of a shipwreck out of things. I'll set y'all down on the side of the pool here. We've had a lot of wind, so a bunch of sand has blown into my pool. There it goes right there, so no more bubbles are coming off of it. And you should be able to see that. Might be a good idea to put some reflective tape on the bottom of it, and I may do that too. But right now I'm out of reflective tape. Let's take this out. A little bit dry. And then we go back in here and do a little maintenance. Take the prop off. And then let's see. Put that right there. I think that's probably a pretty good view for you folk out there in Kayak land, where it is. 14 millimeter. It should come off really easy. You might have to put something in here and just give it a little bit of a... Don't forget, you got a washer right here. When you set that down, give you a close up here. Should be able to see that there's some fishing line wrapped around that pedal drive shaft. I normally have my pocket knife in my pocket, but not today. And it's pretty oily, so I shouldn't have to spray too much corrosive inhibitor on it, or corrosion inhibitor. This takes just a minute to get all this off. Probably want to be mindful of where your line is when you're fishing, as always. Here we go. I would say this has probably been well greased. The water's not sticking to it really, kind of puddling up. What we'll do is put a little bit of this on there. Should take care of that. And then inside the box here, I have my floating nuts. I'm gonna order another one of these pins that goes in here. Look at that. I can tell my vision's going because I didn't see that one little bit of thread down there. Put that back on there just like that. Just about not too far out one side or the other. Looks like that pin might be kind of fluted. Maybe to keep you from going too far. And take your prop. Put that back on there. You can tell you see the pedals moving. It's kind of, you can tell it's engaged. So you take your stainless washer and put it back on there. One of the floating nuts. And there you go. Now I don't have to carry a 14mm wrench. What I'll do is I'll take this nut. It goes with this, and this will go into a really nice Ziploc. You can put it in this bag. And then we'll have I have a second Old Town Salty coming. It should be here. They said 2 more. About 10 days. They said about 10 days. So I'll get to have one for me. And this one is my wife's. And then we got these. I got these from REI. Everything at REI is expensive, but these were 2 for $5. And they're self-bailing. Now I'm assuming you reach up under the kayak and pull them through. So that way, this rubber gasket right here will allow the water to seep out. You should be able to see through there, daylight through there. So the water will run out and then not back up through. Gonna be a little dark here. Listen, all my scuppers are well, they don't go in this way. You pull them up through the bottom, and they'll fit in there just real snug. Since I got those wooden bunks down there, the wooden bunks are in the way for me to demonstrate that. But that's what it looks like. And you just go and put it up to the scupper hole and pull it up in there tight like that. And the water will drain as you're paddling about right through there. So here we go, self-bailing scuppers plugs for my wife's Old Town Sportsman. 2 for $5 at REI. I won't buy my kayak there because it's too difficult. If you want a certain color, you have to wait for a long time, according to what they said. You have to take what's in stock. I like that blue one they call photic. Yeah, whatever the other color is. Where it's mostly that color on the end. But I want them both to match and look the same, so it looked like we chose them together. Alright, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video. Hit the thumbs up, and if you got a chance and feel like it, subscribe. I'd appreciate it.